Hi there, I'm Caitlin, a librarian at Baltimore County Public Library. And here's what you need to start a Dungeons & Dragons game. First, you need the core rules. The library has the Player's Core Rulebook and the Dungeon Master's Guide for both 5th edition and D&D 2024. Next, you'll need your setting, and the possibilities are endless. To help you pick your first adventure, check out our Tabletop Gaming Choosing an Adventure video. Then come back to the library to grab your favorite adventure book. You can also try to homebrew your own setting and story. For more help with homebrewing, watch our Tabletop Homebrewing video. Now you need to set the mood for your game. See our Tabletop Gaming Setting the Mood video for some help selecting music or finding artwork for your games. And don't forget, the library has Chromebooks that you can borrow to make your search for artwork or the best tunes as easy as possible. You've got everything you need to play D&D with your friends at home. But if you want to get some practice in before your first official game, the library offers tons of D&D programs across the county. For more information, visit bcpl.info. Thanks for watching.